We will show that no duty was owed by Ranger to the plaintiff to prevent the type of injury she suffered on September 20th, 2021.
This attack occurred on the early morning hours of September 19th and September 21st. Hannah apartment was broken into, and Hannah was brutally assaulted and raped for a period of 5 hours. She was choked.
Ranger argues that it did not have a duty to protect Ms. Matney from the type of injury she sustained, meaning from a sexual assault.
And Mr. Kelly, and it's in our brief, testified that it was Ranger's obligation to deter criminal conduct, to protect the residents, to protect the property, enforce the laws of the state of Texas and local municipality while providing security.
While I greatly sympathize with Ms. Matney, and I feel horrible about, what happened to her and what she's gone through, Ranger was not hired to protect her from an individual breaking in and assaulting her. That's plain in the language of the contract and the testimony of the parties. They were hired essentially to pass through the property a few times a night, as stated in the security agreement, check the common areas and amenities, and send reports back to Presidium so they could act on any suspicious or other notable observations.
The month that this happened, Your Honor, Mr. Jones had been admonished by his sergeant for sitting in his car while APD was responding to a disturbance there at the Edison Apartments. And he was just sitting in his car. Mr. Jones is no longer with Ranger.